Hey guys, let's see what I can find here in January at my Home Depot during winter time. There might be music, so I might not be able to talk, but we'll see. Hey guys, so I didn't end up purchasing anything at Home Depot, but I'm glad I didn't, because I went to, the following day I went to a nursery with my sister-in-law, Pinders, which I recorded here before in the past. I've recorded a tour of it. I can link it down below for you guys to see, and I purchased these beauties. Now, Pinders always, this is the second time I go, and I think they do this all the time. Their succulents, I would say that this container is 4 inches. Their succulents are 6 for $24, guys. Look at that. Look at that. No name though, but it's okay. Look at this. Look at the size of that. It is amazing. They're amazing. And then this one has quite a few heads on it. And then I got this one. I got this one because I want to replicate some of the arrangements that I saw that they had, and I want to do that. So yeah, I wanted to show you guys this. Since I didn't purchase anything at Home Depot, I decided to do this haul for you guys to show you what I purchased. If you are ever in Palm City, look for Pinders Nursery, and yeah, you won't regret it. It's beautiful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and be on the lookout for a potting with these beauties. Bye guys.